In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to return a product on Temu, whether you've had a change of heart or the product just wasn't what you expected. Understanding how to navigate returns is essential. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. Start by heading over to Temu's website, which is simply temu.com. You can type this directly into your browser's address bar. Once there, look for the sign in or register button at the top right corner of the home page. You'll need to either sign in to your existing account or create a new one if you're not already logged in. After you're signed in, head to the section labeled Your Orders. This page will provide a comprehensive list of everything you have purchased, making it easy to locate the item you want to return. Look for the item in question and click on the returns button. It's a straightforward step, but it's essential as it leads you into the returns process. Proceed by selecting the specific item you wish to return. When prompted, you'll also need to provide a reason for the return. This step is crucial as it helps the platform understand customer satisfaction and possibly improve services. Next, you'll choose your preferred refund method. Temu typically offers options such as a bank refund or credit. Once you've selected how you'd like your refund processed, it's time to print the return label. Make sure your printer is connected and has paper ready for this part. Having a printed label is necessary because you'll attach it to the package you're sending back. Now comes the packing and shipping phase. Make sure the item is securely packed to prevent any damages during transit. Attach the return label you printed earlier clearly on the package. Depending on your shipping method, you may need to drop this off at a designated location or arrange a pickup. Finally, you'll want to track the status of your refund to ensure it's processed as expected. Head back to your Temu account and keep an eye on the refund status, which you can do by revisiting the returns page. Refunds usually take about 5 to 14 business days to reflect in your bank account, though sometimes it can take up to 30 days, depending on your financial institution. Interestingly, if you've opted for a Temu credit refund, you'll often find it quicker, and there you have it, a complete guide to returning a product on Temu. By following these detailed steps, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free return experience. Don't forget to keep your return documentation and any receipts organized, as they can be helpful if you have any questions during the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.